You can let her go. See what happens. I don't think Winnie will do anything. Hey?
I don't know. He won't hurt her.
No. Just look at these two. It's funny how she's already bigger than her.
Yeah.
Here. What's that?
It's okay.
It's just.
It's okay.
Yeah, she hasn't had a ton of like
It's okay.
socialization with other dogs. A little bit here and there, but don't want to. Oh.
Casey, down.
Hey, Ellie, come here. Come here. Hi. Good girl.
Casey's still in your face. Though.
Yeah. She's still a puppy too, I guess.
Yeah, she
so.
It's okay, Ellie. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
She-
It's okay. It's okay. I know they're scary, aren't they? Casey.
Oh.
Calm down.
Winnie's already lost interest.
Oh, yeah.
You want to play ball already? Are you serious?
Easy. Face easy.
Okay. Ready? Go get it.
See, she's starting to play.
That's good.
But Casey, like I say, she's just so in your face, right? Easy.
Oh,
Easy.
Winnie.
Winnie, it's too hot.
It's so
Not
hot.
now.
Holy
Not
smokes.
now.
We came out of a nice air-conditioned car. Look at her eyeballs. They're all like crazy crossed. What's with your eyes?
That dog is nuts. That dog is nuts.
Oh.
Yes.
She's like, wait a minute. I'm bigger than you.
That's right. Winnie so used to, or Casey so used to playing with Winnie. And
Yeah,
they play
I'm sure.
rough, right?
Yeah. But that's okay. She's got to learn.
She'll learn.
Oh. Little kisses. That's really
Aw.
sweet.
Okay,
Here she
you're
goes.
good.
You're fine.
You're good. You're good.
We took her for a walk down by the ocean this morning and wiped her right out. We had to climb up like 200 stairs up and down.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh!
Yeah, it doesn't take much for puppies to be worn out.
No, I know, which is good.
Come on. Come on. Atta girl. Atta girl.
Good girl. Those two. It's always hard to tell, like, if they like it or not. But I
No,
guess
she
her
does.
tail's
She
wagging.
does.
There you go.
Okay, so you're going for a run for your money today now.
Oh, yeah. Go get Winnie. I guess those two are more closer in size.
It's her safe spot.
Totally.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Atta girl.
Whoa.
She's like, I'm just testing the waters a little bit.
Who's that? Is that your new friend? Aw. Oh, they're so cute.
Kinley, Stacy and Kinley were here on Thursday.
Oh, yeah?
And Kinley is just so taken with Casey.
I bet.
She's just like, she'd be walking
She's a
down
perfect size for kids, eh?
She'd be walking down the walkway and she'd turn around and she'd say, come on, Casey.
Really? Oh, she can talk now. I
can
haven't
talk
seen her
like
for
crazy.
so long. Oh.
We had dinner and she wanted